Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the BMW shot. Now, this is a Tipsy Bartender shot that I found, and you might see in the future videos there's going to be a recurring theme, it's going to probably be Tipsy Bartender. But besides the point, I'm doing a Tipsy Bartender shot. You probably can find this online or in a book. I'm not 100% sure. This might be a custom recipe by somebody else. I'm not 100% sure on that. But it looked really good, so I wanted to try it out. BMW, basically it stands for banana liqueur, Midori, and watermelon vodka. So there's your three ingredients. So you'll need Midori, banana, cream de banana, or a banana liqueur of some sort, and you'll also need a watermelon vodka. So let's just go ahead and get down into making this. It's a pretty simple recipe. Everything is one part, so it could be half an ounce, an ounce and a half, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go for a full ounce, I think. Anyways, what you're going to need is a nice filled shaker. And let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to do an ounce and a half, or did I say an ounce? Yeah, an ounce of Midori. Throw that into your shaker. Ounce of banana, which I don't know, now I'm thinking about it, how close is that to the screen? Not too horribly close, but we can move that there. I had to adjust my camera angle because this microphone's not that great. I'm kind of hoping it'll cut out, or it won't cut out as much as the wired one, but I guess we'll find out as it goes. I shaved my beard, so it's less likely my beard will cause problems, hopefully. I don't know. I'll find out at the end of this video. And we're going for an ounce of watermelon vodka. And this is a little overkill on the watermelon vodka, but who cares? And now we're going to shake. I'm going to speed this part up for you guys. After you get done shaking it, you're going to pour it into your desired glass, shot glass. And here we have the BMW shot. It's, well, it's green and yellow, and it looks kind of cool. Kind of reminds me of the nuclear reactor, and I kind of want to have a nuclear reactor. But that's besides the point. Anyways, let's go ahead and take the shot. Ooh, that's fascinating. Now, I don't know if I would use watermelon vodka for it, but that's actually really good. Like, or the Smirnoff watermelon vodka. I would probably use maybe what I saw in the picture was 3 olives. And I think that one's just a wee bit sweeter and a little less questionable. So let me try this. It's good, but it's strong. It's more strong in vodka flavor over watermelon. If it probably went down in proof, you'd probably taste the watermelon a little bit better, but it's not bad. Let's take another small little taste test of this, because I might want another one. Who knows? Yeah, no, it's pretty good. It has banana and Midori go well together, no matter what you put it in. Same with pineapple juice and Midori. Those usually go pretty well together. But also makes really nice green color. A lime green color. Almost nuclear. No, I think it came out pretty good. It's sweet. It's strong because you have at least 80 proof in there. It's not all liqueur. Actually, I think this liqueur is kind of strongish. Nope, that's only 30 proof. I think this is also almost 30 proof, if not. No, it's 20, or it's 40 proof. Never mind. Yeah, it is what it is. Here we go. Yeah, exceptionally sweet. No burn whatsoever. Not that surprising. God, it tastes so good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.